warm welcome to Anglesey. I've had the day off work, and of course, what do we get? We get horrendous weather, storms, wind, rain, and look at this. I am quite happy. Worth the day off work this. I'm here with a very astute, very wonderful mind of David. Let's call him the wonderful mind of David today, if you can hear me. At Penmon, there must be a million compositions here, and I'll find the wrong one, don't worry. That can wait. We've just walked down thinking, yes, these pools of water. Oh, beautiful, absolutely stunning. Just spawn decking. And I turn round and with David, and he says, the dragon has awoke. Such fitting words. Wow. So I'm gonna get a composition here with the two cottages and the boat houses, and look at that, just look at it. I hope I can pull this off. We're rushing a bit, well I'm rushing a bit because as you know, I get very excited. It's just the way the clouds have burst, showing the ridges, and it does look like the breath of a dragon, or like its tail's gonna whip round any second. Beautiful, beautiful. So there's the leading line, but I've got very straight away saw this pool of water in the foreground. Oh wow, what a place. It's so lucky where we live in this country to have these places on our doorstep. I said doorstep, it took me 2.5 hours to get here, but you know what I mean. Oh, we're getting some beautiful like light just diffused coming through. But it's very grey and flat, but there's just enough a hint to give us some interest. But at the moment, I've gone with a 6-stop and a medium edge grad to just bring that sky in a bit more, give it a bit more depth and interest. But we're getting these curls, little tiny rip curls as a leading line in this path. I'm going to whip the 6-stop off again and get all this interest. I think if I could bring it down to about 1/3 of a second, could be quite special. Right, let's crack on. Right, back to what I was saying earlier. We've gone tight. Well, David has. David's right up to knuckle, as he's just put it, as tight as it. No, I can't say nuns. No, you didn't say nuns. Gnats. Sorry, that's my rude mind. That. I'm twisting things. Oh, way up. Oh, I missed it. Look at this. Oh, the swirls. The swirls in the pool. Oh, did you see that? Yeah. Oh, 24 mil. Why? 16. Get it sorted, Melly. Right. You've got to be a juggler. You've got to be. Vlogging. Taking pictures like this, oh, it was all happening. I couldn't help myself. I couldn't stop. What a wonderful place. The rain's coming in now, so I'm going to leave you for a bit and onwards to our next location. kicked me out of the car, said my feet stink. Mr. David Griff, legend. We've just had an incredible burger. Welsh rarebit on steak at the Pier House. Oh, what? But have a look at this. Spawn decking, I tell you what. Oh, look at the light now. Crashing in here. Superb, absolutely superb. What a day. Like I said, the Pier House. Wonder, what was that burger like?
Spawn decking.
Checks in the post. Here we go again. Crazy gales, crazy weather makes the best conditions. Check out that sea. Let's go and get some shots. I'm having to fudge with a hard edge grad, a 3-stop, just to get a tiny bit of movement in these waves. Oh, I've got some shots looking over to Snowdonia. Just beautiful place. Even if any of these pictures don't work out, I give none one jot. I tell you that. It's just a great place to be. If you love the outdoors and you love being outside in these kind of conditions, this is just wonderful. You've got clouds swirling on the edges and the sea crashing. I hope you can hear me because I had to just record a piece here to give you the atmosphere and the aesthetics of the place. Listen to this. So gonna try and get some of the movement as it crashes up, as you can see there. Just to get the feel of movement and the power of the sea. Right, let's do it.